Hey guys, it's Brooke. So today's video is going to be my Ipsy Unbagging. If you like Ipsy Unbaggings, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe down below, and let's see what I got. Alright, so right off the bat, I seen that I got some masks, which I'm so excited about because I love face masks. But this is the bag this month. It's actually really bright and colorful. I think you could get yellow or you could get like a coral pink type color. So this is really cute. I would have preferred the pink one, but this yellow one is actually really pretty. It just reminds me of sun and summer, so that's always a good vibe. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is what didn't fit in the bag, and these are the BioBelle's face mask. I love BioBelle's, and these look super cute. There is two of them, and let's see which other one that I got. And this is actually perfect because I'm starting to run out of face masks. So, okay, so they're the same thing. We got the hashtag unicorn glow face mask. The packaging is so adorable. I love this. Me and my friend actually created a unicorn type drink like this, like hot chocolate drink. It's on our channel. So just in case y'all want to see that video, I'll have it down below or link it in the cards above. It's just something completely random. But this is supposed to be paraben-free, gluten-free, non-GMOs with natural extracts. And it's supposed to be vegan and cruelty-free and anti-pollution. And this one is for the perfect radiance with chocolate, mulberry, and honey. So that sounds like it's going to smell so good. And like I said, I love BioBelle face masks. They're really nice face masks. I'm also happy that they gave us two, so that's really cool. So yes, love this. Great product. Alright, so the theme this month is flying colors. That's really cute. It's for Pride Month, I'm assuming, so that's really cool. Yes, it says Pride Month is about so much more than sexuality. It's about unique beauty, self-expression, and inspiring everyone to be completely themselves without fear of judgment. That is so cool. I love that. And it says hashtag Ipsy Flying Colors. Alright, so the first one I'm going to show in a separate thing so you can see what it looks like on my nails, but it is a Pretty Woman nail polish, and I've actually gotten quite a few of Pretty Woman nail polishes. They're really nice. Some of them can be quite thick depending on which line that you get, but they're basic regular nail polishes, and the metallic ones and the sand collection ones are really pretty and nice. I got the color Vacay, which I think is going to be like a bright oh no, okay, this is pretty. This is a really pretty, it looks like beach sand, like a beach sand color, so perfect name. I love this. It has a little bit of a peachy undertone, so that's going to be super pretty. I can't wait to try that on the nails. And Pretty Woman is 10 free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, I'm not sure how to say that, and then petrochemical-free, GMO-free, Trixlone free. I probably butchered that, and it's vegan. So really cool. Alright, next up we have a Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. So I'm excited to try this. I've never really tried a lot of products by Makeup Forever, but some of their products do interest me. And yeah, I'm excited. It is a hydrating primer, so I can't wait to try this. It seems really nice. Really nice little sample size, perfect for travel as well. Alright, so this is a Grove Collaborative Mint and Argon Lip Balm with hydrating chia seed oil. This is adorable packaging. It's supposed to be supremely hydrating and ultra nourishing. This is perfect. I need another chapstick. So really nice that I got one. It is a really unique shape. It's kind of like an oval, like oblong. And again, the packaging on the actual chapstick is super cute. It smells like pepper, like a sweet mint. It smells really good. So as you can see how it's kind of like oval, so that's really unique. Oh yeah. That's really nice. I actually like this oval shape because it's super easy to go on the lips. And like I said, I needed another chapstick, so really nice. I feel a little bit of a coolness from the mint, so I can definitely say that I'm going to like this. So really happy. And last but not least, we got another lip product, which is quite unique. That doesn't happen often. And this is by Estate, and it is a lip icing, which is their lip gloss, basically. and it's in the color Goodie. I like that name, Goodie. Wow, this is bright. This looks like a Barbie pink. And it also feels, not to be mean, but it also feels like really cheap packaging, like something like kid makeup packaging. But let's see. I am stuffed up, but I feel like this has a very, very light vanilla scent, and not a lot came off on the brush, as you can see right there. I'm going to try and dip it back in. Alright, so I'm going to have to say this is definitely probably going to be a dud. It feels really thick when I'm like smushing it back in, and not a lot of product comes off on the brush, and then it just really, it's a clear gloss with a bunch of hot pink glitter in it. I'm going to put it on to see what it looks like, but it's just like really reflective hot pink glitter, so not something that I'm really into. Alright, so it actually is a lot prettier on the lips than what I thought. I could definitely smell the vanilla now that I put it on. It's not bad. Like, honestly, it's not bad. I can definitely see like the little pink glitters, but it's basically, like I said, a clear gloss with a bunch of glitters on the lips. But on the plus side, I cannot feel the glitter when I rub my lips together. And it's not that sticky. It's just like a traditional lip gloss stickiness, but it's not overly sticky to where it feels like gross and you want to take it off. So this is just kind of like a so-so product. But everything else that I got in my Ipsy was amazing. I absolutely loved it. I cannot wait to try on this nail polish. I think it's going to be super, super pretty. And I will put on the screen what I thought of the formula, because their formulas varies between each nail polish. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to click subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.